Gelato Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Gelato Wallet app might sound like dessert, but it's actually one of the most interesting automation tools in the crypto space. Built around efficiency, Gelato takes Diffie management to the next level. But is it worth using as your main wallet? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Gelato Wallet is powered by the Gelato network, an automation protocol that runs smart contracts without manual execution. This means you can schedule recurring Diffie transactions like staking, swapping, or yield farming automatically. For active Diffie users, that's a huge time saver. It supports a variety of Ethereum-compatible blockchains, including Arbitrum, Polygon, and Optimism, so you can use it across major Diffie ecosystems without constantly switching wallets. The user interface is clean and fast, optimized for both mobile and desktop users. Another standout feature is smart transaction automation. You can set conditions like stake tokens when gas fees drop below a certain level, a feature most wallets don't even come close to offering. Security-wise, the Gelato wallet remains non-custodial, meaning you hold your private keys. It's also open source, allowing transparency in how automation tasks are handled, an important factor for trust in crypto. Now for the cons. Gelato is designed mainly for DeFi power users, not beginners. If you're new to crypto, its automation features might feel confusing or unnecessary. Another challenge is network dependency. Since Gelato relies heavily on Ethereum and Layer 2 scaling networks, congestion or downtime on those chains can affect performance. In summary, the Gelato Wallet app is perfect for Diffie enthusiasts who want to automate complex strategies and save time. But for simple storage or casual investing, it might feel overly technical. Still, in a world moving towards smart automation, Gelato is setting the standard, one automated transaction at a time.